it's Mike with Hiniker Company. Today we're going to look at our show unit for our Cultipro. Cultipro is available in rigid toolbar in a 4, 6, and 8 row, and a folding toolbar is available in 8, 12, and 16. Hiniker Company developed the original middle worker high-speed point shear design that has become the industry standard for high residue cultivating. The Cultipro row unit is designed narrower so you can achieve 20-inch row spacing. The Cultipro comes with an extension handle. You can use it here on the setting your spring tension, and also up here to set your gauge wheel depth. For rock protection, we have an 18-inch spring-loaded Coulter. Up front here, we have dual gauge wheels or oscillating, so they'll hold your residue down while the cutting Coulter cuts it. To set your gauge wheels, just simply move the handle over, you go up and down, multiple holes to choose from to set your pressure. To set your cutting Coulter depth, just simple adjustment here, pull your lever out, and you can drop it down, put it in any hole you want there, and set your depth of your cutting Coulter. This is our Cutaway Disc, also known as a barring disc, and I'll show you how to adjust it here. So just pull the spring tab back, remove the pin here, and then you can rotate it up or down wherever you need it. Lock it back in place. To adjust the width of your cutting discs here, we'll loosen this hardware up here. There's some nuts and bolts here at the bottom, and then you can slide those tubes in or out to either narrow it up or make it wider. A new feature on the Cultipro is you can adjust the angle of your sweep. By removing this bolt, you can choose from 3 different positions to set that angle. Hiniker offers our shears in the standard and a hard-faced version, available in 15, 17, 19, 21, and 25-inch widths. They do have a dual hole pattern here, so when you wear out this bottom edge, you can rotate that and then start with a new cutting edge on that surface. This is the Cultipro open top shield. There's adjustment for the distance you can travel up and down by removing a pin here, or adjusting this bolt, you can set your depth of the open top shield. It's also adjustable front to back. The options here, you can put a rotary hole wheel or a cutaway shield on, and this arm is spring loaded. To set your spring down pressure, it's 4 adjustment positions that you can choose from. What this does is it preloads this spring. You'll have 4.5 inches of travel up or down when you're running your parallel arms in the parallel position. Thanks for watching, and for more info on our Cultipro, make sure you check out our website and make sure you subscribe.